Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find a matching defect in quality center. So you're probably wondering why I'm to show you how to find a matching defect before you creating one. Because it's very important when you are submitting a new defect. You should confirm like there is no similar existing defect already submitted into quality center by other testers. So but before that, so why you should submit a defect? So when you are testing, if you find there is any issues with the application, you find there is any bug into the application, you're supposed to submit a defect. Then that defect is going to be reviewed by the test manager or the project manager, and then they'll decide if this need to be fixed, or then some developer are going to be assigned to fix this defect. So for our case, when we are testing this Mercury 2 application, so we identified a problem into the application. If you remember, when we are running this login with an existing user account, when you are executing this test case, we identified that existing user can't log in into the system. So we want to create a defect to address this issue. And so to submit a defect, first you have to go to this defects module. So when you go to defect module, you can already see there are other defects are already submitted by different testers. So before you submit your that login related defect, you should check if there is any existing similar defect is into the system. So what you have to do, if you go to defect module, on the top part here there is a button called find similar defect. So if you click this button, you see in the bottom you see there is a panel showed up, and here it basically do when you just click it, there are two options. One is find similar defects, and one is find similar text. So when you just click this button, it will try to find a similar defect based on the defect is already selected initially. So in our case, this defect, the flight list of flights is given um, even when with this text it already searched the matching defects, and it searches based on the approximately is 24. You can increase it or decrease it based on your requirement. Then you can click search again. So still in our case is same. It's found to a 45 similar defects based on this text provided. But what we want to check, if there is any login related defect is already submitted into the system. So what we will do, we'll type login and we'll click search, and it shows no record found. So that means there is no matching defect is submitted. We try to increase the approximity. Let's see if it makes any difference. No, so there is no login related defect is already submitted into the system. So so with this we come to the end of this tutorial. So in this tutorial we learned how to check if there is any matching defects is already exist into quality center. And in the next tutorial I will show you how to create a new defect for that login issue. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.